This is a big storm. I mean, from the center of the storm out to the farthest rain bands is 1,100 miles. The state of Hawaii, those little islands there are about 200 or 350 miles wide. So it's a big storm. And these Kona Lows can pack a punch. Overall, the main impacts will be very heavy rain and flash flooding. Strong to severe thunderstorms are possible. And with those thunderstorms, they can spawn isolated tornadoes as well as hail. Also, strong southerly winds to 30 miles per hour, but those winds could ramp up with gusts to 45 miles per hour, especially for the north and east shores, just due to downsloping terrain. So what is a Kona Low? What makes it a Kona Low? First and foremost, two things. Number one, it's a leeward low. Kona meaning leeward, and it sits to the west of Hawaii. If it was anywhere else, it wouldn't be considered a Kona Low. The second thing is it's a stalled or a very slow mover. These things park itself to the west of the islands and just churn up moisture after moisture after moisture for days after days after days. Now, it's not as common as a wet season storm front or even an upper level low. You hear those type of storms moving through. This is a bit more rare, but it can happen. And sometimes when they do happen, one will move through followed by a second one. And we've got a second weaker one compared to what we're about to go through with this Kona Low. This is the big picture. I just want to show you, a wide view of what could happen. We'll see these heavy rain bands move through from time to time, especially Friday into Saturday. Now, this is a zoomed in view. I'm going to put some pauses where the rain could be heavy. This is tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. The rain is still moving into the central portions of the state, but still heaviest for Kauai. Then through Wednesday, we'll see high rain chances, but the really hardcore stuff, that is Friday. This is noon on Friday. The storm is actually going to be strengthening, and by Friday, it's over at noon. We have high rain chances and thunderstorm availability for noontime, and then Friday night into Saturday morning for Oahu, and then Saturday midday for Maui County, pushing also into the Big Island by Saturday night and early Sunday. Thing is, though, this is going to slow down when it nears Maui County and the Big Island, so there may be an extended period of heavy rain. We're talking 20 to 30 inches of rain for mountain areas of Kauai, Oahu, and Molokai. The rest of the state, about 10 to 15 inches elsewhere, which is still a very high number. Here's a look at the Doppler radar. Again, rain has been steady. A lot of this is a cloud and showers combination. The showers will get heavier as the hours progress, especially by tomorrow when we should be in full swing. Highest thunderstorm potential are as follows across the islands. Kauai now through Saturday morning, all day Friday for Oahu, all day Saturday for Maui County, Maui Island itself through Sunday midday, and Saturday morning through Monday morning. The flood watch continues for all islands at least through Saturday, possibly extended if needed.